Hi friends, welcome to the Quiz King. In this video, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd number and letters within given time? There are 3 levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go! Come on viewers, challenge your eyes, find X7 within 5 seconds. Come fast, viewers, time is over. Wow, my viewers is very intelligent. Find the odd number 83 within given time. Where are my genius viewers? Come on, you found it. Time is up. Come on, my legend viewers, spot the odd star within given time. Wow, you are eagle eyes. Hey viewers, are you genius? Find D8 within given time. Time is up. Come on, legend! Are you focus master? Find KT within time. Wow, you are focus master. Check your brain. Find Q6 within time. Come on, viewers! Time is up. Hey viewers, spot the odd one out within 5 seconds. Wow, amazing! Test your eagle eyes, find MV within time. Yes, you are eagle eyes. Come on viewers, are you puzzle master? Find 93 within given time. Wow, that's great. Anybody can find S4 within 5 seconds? Wow! Excellent work! Identify the odd number 61 within given time. Wow! You are sharp eyes! Find the odd one out Y4 within time. Time is over. %, people fail the odd letter SD within given time. Yes, you found it. Come on viewers, spot the odd emoji within 5 seconds. Boom! Amazing! Nobody can find the odd letter CK within given time. Wow! Good job! Only genius can find 37 within time. Come on, my genius viewers, time is up. Hey viewers, easy level done and medium level start. Hey, check your eyes test, find the odd number within 8 seconds. Wow, you are genius. Come on, genius, challenge your IQ level, find the odd number within time. Come on, my legend viewers, time is over. Spot the odd trend within given time. Hey viewers, you found it. Come on, time is up. Oddity spotting. Come on, genius, spot the odd number within 8 seconds. Wow, that's great. Come on, viewers, can you find the odd letter FSU within time? Amazing! And that's great! Check your observation skills, find the odd number within time. Time is up. Hey viewers, find the odd one out within given time. Come on, genius. Wow, amazing. Find the odd heart within 8 seconds. Come on, viewers. Come on, my viewers. You found it. Time is up. Medium level done and hard level start. Check your observation skills. Find the odd number within 10 seconds. Come on, legend. Wow, amazing. Test your visual skills. Find the odd number within given time. Where are my quiz lovers? Come on, you found it. Time is up. Find the odd hand within time. Boom, boom! Amazing! Hey viewers, part the tomato within 10 seconds. Yummy! Come on viewers, find the odd foot within 10 seconds. Come on my legend viewers. Wow, your sharp eyes. Come on genius, can you find the odd number within 10 seconds? Come on my genius viewers. Hey viewers, my last question. Come on genius, this is a very hard question. Wow, you are quiz lovers. Please like and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to share your score in the comment box.